Alright, y'all, so we outside. We about to close your eyes. Turn. Turn around.
Ooh, it's
What?
itchy a little bit.
Oh, it'll be alright. It's for a while. These mine? Oh, I had the purple one.
There's more.
Oh, go get mine. I had purple. Alright, y'all, so we outside. I got the yard cut today. And I'm just gonna rake up some of the, you know, the grass that the lawnmower leaves. The front ain't bad. It's really bad in the back. And I got the tripod outside. I went back me a little. Let me show y'all the little rake I bought.
Oh, you also wire when flies get in.
Oh, got me a rake. One. I don't really like this kind.
Well,
I want the other kind, but this all that the Dollar General had up from my house.
Y'all see?
So
Y'all can do this. Oh,
My neighbor, he outside cutting.
It's like you landing and stuff like.
My neighbor, he outside too.
Not like
I
that,
see him
but
over there. He pulling trees.
yeah, he cutting trees down.
Could you move back so damn I can't see him.
Where the cars
I
come,
probably can't see him
you
now.
can hit
Yeah,
the
he out
things.
there. Alright, hold this. You take this.
You want me to
I'm
show you
take
down?
this. I'm going in the back. Alright.
Or you gotta show yourself down.
No, come on. Get the gloves too.
I was just about to say, who getting the shade over there?
Get the gloves. I'm going in the back.
Yeah, we need to start over here.
I'll see what it's thick. I don't understand why the middle or the back got so damn thick. I mean thick as fuck. So that's what I really want to rake up. And I want to burn it, but I'm scared. You know, I'm out here in the country. And they said I can burn we can burn our trash out here, but I gotta get a barrel.
Gloves.
Oh. These my little dollars.
Y'all, these gloves stink. These, it blue. It smell like somebody.
Okay, well, you don't use them. You don't want to use them. Let's do that down there.
Dang, how did I fall?
You won't stop talking long enough to do nothing. Jeez. Talk a damn hole in my head.
Spray it on your back. Spray it on your back.
You want to spray? Go ahead and spray yourself. Here go Pearl. She just came in. Just came out. Now she's spraying herself. I ain't used that shit in so long. I don't know if shit's still
I punched the wall.
I should have bought 2-3 rakes.
Yeah. Because this one, you better be broke.
Alright, y'all. So here's where it's real thick at. See how thick this shit is right here?
Go on. You want to fight me? Go on. Let me show you back.
This shit is
Dang.
thick.
Oh, dang. Why I didn't spray you.
I don't like this rake. I should have got the damn other.
You cold on me too.
I told you close your damn eyes and your mouth.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me get your back. No. Turn around. Stop walking. Oh, come on, I want to do something. You have to pick it up. You only got to get a trash bag. You hear me?
What?
Wait, a trash bag?
No, I'm not burning this shit.
Oh, today?
Who's gonna burn it? I'm gonna make a pile.
Huh?
I'm gonna make a pile.
Oh, we can make a pile right there. I can throw that. You could have made me throw that over there.
I don't understand why it's so thick right here. Hey.
It's thick. Why you look at it? It's thick. This thing is itchy. Y'all, guess what I was doing in the bathroom? Guess what I was doing like?
Itchy it is, buddy.
Remember, you shake your butt. Yo, I almost fell. You want to fight?
Cut that video.
Pause it. Pause it. You taking pictures?